See, for the, I mean, reading number 75, no? What is the reading number 75, no? Reading 75, question 13, when they ask you for upper bound, lower bound of an option, there are two ways. One is a difficult way, I believe, because remembering those formulas for upper bound and lower bound, at least for me, is impossible. Again, depends on memory to memory, your recollection capacity. I either would give up on such questions if they come in the exam. I'll let it go, or I'll try to derive it using put call parity. So put call parity, let's try to recollect. Let's see the put call parity. Good. S plus P is equal to C plus X upon 1 plus R raised to T. Alright, so that T over here was 6 months. So I'll just put it that 6 months matlab raised to 6 upon 12. So that was the put call parity. And over here we were asked for upper bound of this option, which is this option. So this is call option. So let's put the C over here, and ये जो X है वो उसको वो बाजू भेज देंगे. So that happens like minus X divided by 1 plus R raised to T. So that's the answer for the C. अब इसको हमने बोला था कि अगर ये अपर बाउंड एंड लोअर बाउंड दोनों, अपर बाउंड मतलब मैक्स वैल्यू, अपर बाउंड पूछा ना ये टाइम. एनीवेज लेट्स लुक एट बोथ वेज. अपर बाउंड मतलब मैक्स वैल्यू. तो अगर हमें मैक्स चाहिए तो ऑब्वियसली एक हमने डिस्कस किया था, अगर कॉल देख रहे हैं तो पुट विल बी 0, पुट देख रहे हैं तो कॉल विल बी 0. सो यहाँ पे वी आर लुकिंग एट कॉल, सो पुट को उड़ा देंगे, विल रिमूव द पुट. अगर पुट को देख रहे थे तो कॉल को उड़ा देते थे, बिकॉज बोथ द ऑप्शंस कांट बी इन द मनी एट द सेम टाइम. If the share price is upper, call will be in the money, put would be 0. If the share price is down, put would be in the money and call would be 0. So we're looking at call, so removing the put option. तो अगर मैक्स चाहिए तो ये जो सब्ट्रैक्टेड टर्म है उसको उड़ाना पड़ेगा. अगर if you want a max, then subtracted term should be gone. So the max price is stock price itself, S. So that's going to the max. और अगर मिनिमम करना है तो you will have the complete formula S minus X divided by 1 plus R raised to T, provided this should not be negative. अगर ये negative है तो we'll replace it by 0. So in that you will find 0 or this, whichever is higher. मतलब अगर ये पॉजिटिव है we'll take it, अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो we'll replace it by 0. But anyway यहाँ पे लोअर बाउंड पूछा नहीं था, यहाँ पे अपर बाउंड was asked. So from that perspective, upper bound is this max value, which is nothing but simple stock price. And that stock price was given to us as 485 yeah 500 485. So what's it? Okay, 485 yeah 510. So is it 485 या 510? Obviously 485 ऑप्शन में नहीं था, but अगर होता था तो 485 या 510. Look at a question. At the time of the option purchase, the stock price was 485, but now the question is, what is the no arbitrage upper bound at this point of time in 6 months? So right now पूछा upper bound. So right now the price is 510. So the answer is 510. The stock price which is 510. अगर lower bound पूछा था, calculate करते हैं. Let's calculate the lower bound. Although they have not asked it, let's calculate lower bound. So lower bound is the stock price. Do it please. 510 minus exercise price, which is 500. X is 500. R कितना है? Sakshi, 1% is 1.01 and then आगे 25. So 1% is 1.01 and then आगे 25. So this R over here would be 1.0125 and raised to 6 months. So 6 upon 12. Keep in mind, अगर ये answer negative आया, then the lower bound would be 0. See, option value can never be negative. So if it is coming out to be negative, we'll replace it by 0. So 1.0125 1.0125 raised to bracket open 6 divided by 12 bracket close. Take it up by pressing inverse into 500. Put a negative sign and then plus 510. 13.09 is the minimum value and the maximum upper bound is the stock price itself, which is 510. So this was the upper bound and the lower bound was 13.09. A difficult question. I'm not saying it is an easy question. तो मैंने बोला वो it was not possible to remember it from that table, at least for me. What is the reading number? Reading number 75 के key concepts में भी वो table दिया है. Look at the summary of the chapter. 75 or 74? 75 only. नहीं, key concept नहीं दिया. This one. What are the, which option was it? Call या put था? क्या था? Call option and maximum price, maximum value is stock price. But I don't think so it is possible for me at least to like remember this. So I'll believe that you derive it. It will be easy for you when you like derive it. Derivation समझा अभी कैसे किया था वो? Good. So I'll not call this as a very easy question for like today's lecture.